Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing Bitcoin, starting on the daily, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on Bitcoin, I still suspect that this could be the bottom right here. I mean, technically the trend is down on the daily, and it possibly could just keep going down pretty easily. But to me, it looks like a complete pattern for a wave 4. It looks like a potential wave 1, a potential wave 2, and I still think there's a pretty good likelihood this is going to go up and eventually make a wave 3, probably eventually make a wave 4 and a wave 5. So I think this is likely going to be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave 5, which should have it taking out the highs of wave 3. So let's take a look at it on the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we got a nice impulsive move up. We definitely got a break of structure, which is a good sign that potentially this is the end of a correction. We also turned at the 178% Fibonacci extension, and that 178 is definitely the target for an expanding flat. We got 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up, and then at least 5 waves down. Turning at the 178 definitely makes me think that it's an expanding flat, so this would be like a wave 1, this would be a wave 2, and potentially the wave 2 is already over, and this is potentially already in a wave 3, which potentially could just keep on making higher highs, higher lows for this wave 3. So taking a look at that on the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I think there's a good chance this move down that we're currently seeing is a correction to the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up. I would definitely be paying close attention to these fib levels. If you are like a scalper, then you could be looking for shorts right now until you get that Fibonacci bounce with a nice clear break of structure, which it doesn't have to happen at the 50%. I mean, it could easily go down to any one of these fib levels. So until you actually do get that Fibonacci bounce with a nice clear break of structure, whatever level it does decide to respect, you could be looking for shorts or shorter time frames. Or if you're more of a swing trader, you could be waiting for the end of this correction, waiting for that Fibonacci bounce and a break of structure to go long, potentially for the continuation of this uptrend, which I think is already a subdivision of a wave 3, like a 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and wave 3 of wave 3. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.